Hello, welcome friends. Myself, Dr. K.D. Mori, working as assistant professor in the Department of Animal Elementary Dairy Science. Today we are going to the new topic, physiochemical properties of milk. Today topics of content is that first one is the introduction, then physical state of milk, then color of milk, then flavor of milk, then specific gravity of milk, then freezing point of milk, then boiling point of milk, then specific heat, then refractive index, then acidity of milk, then pH of milk, then viscosity of milk, then surface tension of milk, then electrical conductivity of milk, and amphoteric property of milk. And last one is the conclusion of this physiochemical properties of milk. So let us see one by one. First is the firstly introduction of the physiochemical properties. First point is the definition of milk. Already ought to known what is the definition of milk. The milk is a whole, fresh, clean lacteal secretion obtained by complete milking of one or more healthy milk animals, excluding that obtained within 5 days, 15 days before or 5 days after calving is called as milk. Or the another definition is just like the milk is a whole, fresh, clean lacteal secretion from mammary gland of mammals is called as milk. Another first properties of physiochemical of milk, that is physical state of milk. In that particularly already you have known the milk is a continuous phase, and the two main true solution, that is lactose and mineral salts. Then after already you have to know the milk fat present in milk in particular emulsion type of stage. Then casing and minerals salts are the colloidal in stage. This is the total physical state of milk. Then second is the color of milk. The yellow color of cow milk is due to carotene content. Then color of buffalo milk is due to casein content. Then the greenish yellow color of whey is due to riboflavin content. And skim milk and water added milk have bluish color. Means that in the particular topic, the color of cow milk is yellow is due to carotene content. Then color of buffalo milk is white is due to casein content. And then all next one is the color of whey, that is the light greenish yellow is due to riboflavin content. Then next is the flavor of milk. Flavor is a combination of state and order. The buttery flavor is due to diacetyl compound present in milk. At the time of overheating, that time buttery flavor is generally found. Then sweet taste due to lactose and salty taste due to mineral matters, both dumped down by protein. Then milk fat, then fatty acids and phospholipids also contribute in flavor. Then specific gravity and density, particularly the ratio of density of the substance to the density of standard substance, that is water, is called as density. The specific gravity is expressed in gram per ml at given temperature. The specific gravity of bovine, that is cattle and buffalo, is 0. Sorry, 1.029 to 1.032. That is the cow milk specific gravity is 1.029 to 1.030. The specific gravity of buffalo milk is 1.030 to 1.032. And specific gravity of skim milk is 1.035 to 1.037. Means that is the specific gravity. Most of the time the question is asked you in your examination point of view. The specific gravity of and the average specific gravity of milk. So answer is 1.028 to 1.037. Then specific gravity of fat is 0.93. Then specific gravity of protein 1.346. Then specific gravity of lactose 1.666. Specific gravity of casein 1.31. Then mineral specific gravity is 4.12. The highest specific gravity is mineral salt 4.12. The specific gravity is decreased by addition of water and cream, increased by addition of skim milk and removal of fat. The specific gravity usually determined at 20 degrees Celsius or 15 degrees Celsius. And the specific gravity is generally determined by lactometer, then Westphal balance, then relative density bottle. These are the particular instrument or equipments by use of this instrument to determine the specific gravity as well as density of milk. Then next is freezing point. The freezing point of milk is always lower than water. The freezing point of cow milk is minus 547 degrees Celsius, and the freezing point of buffalo milk is minus 549 degrees Celsius. Means that the freezing point of the cow milk is in particular degree Fahrenheit is 31.02 degree Fahrenheit, and the freezing point of buffalo milk is 0. Hello, sorry, 31.02 degree Fahrenheit. The water added in milk raises the freezing point of milk, and add soluble substances like sugar lower the freezing point. Means when the addition of the sugar or another ingredients in milk, that time the freezing point of milk is lower. Then boiling point, the boiling point of milk is cow milk and as well as buffalo milk is same 100.17 degrees Celsius. The dissolve of substances increase the boiling point. The boiling is important for calculating the amount of heat required in reducing milk by boiling. Then specific heat, the number of calories required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substances 1 degree Celsius at a stated temperature is called as specific heat. The specific heat is influenced by chemical nature and physical state. The higher percentage of fat it results in lower specific heat. The milk has specific heat of 0.938 at 59 degree Fahrenheit. It plays an important role in measuring cost of heating and cooling the milk and milk products. The next is the refractive index. The butyrofractive meter. This instrument or device is used by means of the determine the refractive index of milk. Then refractive index of milk serum is 1.35 as against 1.33 for water. Milk serum refractive index is 1.35 and water is 1.33. The refractive index is determined at 20 degrees Celsius. The refractive index of milk determined on milk serum prepared by coagulating the casein. The refractive index of milk used to detect the watering in milk. Then next is the acidity of milk. The freshly drawn milk is amphoteric in nature. The natural acidity of milk is due to protein and acid salts. The casein and phosphates largely cause the titratable acidity of fresh milk. The acidity content of buffalo milk varies from 0.14 to 0.15 or some of the species the specific the acidity of buffalo milk is also 0.17 to 18%. Then acidity of milk that can be determined by titration is called a titratable acidity. Higher SNF content of milk cause higher acidity, and these are the different factors is responsible for acidity of milk. That is means high acidity caused by these are the different factors. Just that is species, then breed, then individuality, the stage of lactation, and other condition. Okay, these are the factor is responsible for acidity of milk. Then next is the pH of milk. The pH of normal fresh milk is ranges from 6.5 to 6.7. In industrial practices, the pH is measured with pH meter by using glass rod or glass electrode, and the average fresh cow milk pH is 6.4 to 6.6, and the average fresh buffalo milk pH is 6.7 to 6.8. Then viscosity of milk. The viscosity of a liquid is its resistance to flow when the liquid is in motion. The unit of the viscosity is centipoise, and the viscosity of milk is determined by viscometer, and the viscosity of milk is depends upon the composition as well as the temperature of milk. Means this the viscosity of milk is a variation to species as well as temperature of milk also. Then increase with the increase in fat and SNF, and decrease with increase in temperature also. And this viscosity of milk is measured generally at 20 degrees Celsius from 1.70 to 2.10 centipoise. This is the average viscosity of milk, 1.70 to 2.10 centipoise. Then surface tension. The force is required to break 1 centimeter of surface is called as surface tension. Measure in terms of the dynes per centimeter. The surface tension of milk is 72.75 dynes per centimeter at 20 degree Celsius. Next one is the electrical conductivity of milk. The electrical conductivity is measured in terms of ohms. The varies from the electrical conductivity is varies from of milk is ranges from 30 to 50 into 10 raised to minus 4 ohms. The electrical conductivity increased by mastitis or udder infection. Means the electrical conductivity is fully increased by the different other infection, udder infection or teeth infection. It depends on the milk. Then sodium chloride accounts for about 75% of the total conductivity, and fat and colloidal dispersed substances decrease the conductivity of milk. This is are the different physiochemical properties of milk. So thank you.